The Lotus sounds like some yoga move the colleague who sits opposite you at work brags about doing after their second yoga lesson, whilst inhaling the third chocolate bar of the day. This is not a well-known cocktail, but as it's a Chinese New Year, I thought I'd make something which fits the vibe. The ingredient lineup: gin, lychee juice, grenadine, blue curacao and 7 mint leaves. Let's kick this off by muddling the mint leaves, and just be careful not to rip them. Add 2 ounces to 60 ml of a London dry gin. Then we want to add 1/4 ounce to 7.5 ml of grenadine. Then add 1/4 ounce to 7.5 ml of blue curacao. Now this part is going to be a bit like mixing primary colours at school. Those of us who done art will know where this is going to be heading. And lastly, add 1 ounce to 30 ml of our lychee juice. Add ice to our shaker and shake for 10 to 15 seconds. This cocktail was created by Martin Wallander at the Match Bar in London in 2001. Double strain this into my favourite bit of glassware, the martini glass, and yes, I'm being sarcastic. Then garnish with a mint leaf. The taste test. This is a really sweet drink. The lychee brings a floral flavour to the party. Now I love using Beefeater gin, it's one of my favourites, but this cocktail would definitely benefit from having a more punchy gin, a bit like a Tanqueray. If you love sweetness and love the colour purple, this is definitely the drink for you.